Most entrepreneurs fail on their first 30 days, but they just realize it after 5 years dahil mali ang pinili nilang product or niche. So, ito na nga. Gusto mo magsimula magbenta online. Pero kung tulad ka ng iba, nahirap pa rin makahanap ng product na bibilhin talaga ng market mo. Gusto mo yung something unique and sellable. Pero ang tanong, saan ba talaga magsisimula? Maraming nagsimula, pero nauwi lang sa pagkalugi dahil mali ang produktong pinili nila. Hi, my name is Jason Ferrer, and I help e-compreneurs profitably pursue their passion and purpose. If you're new here, click on subscribe. Also, click on the notification bell para na-update ka tuwing nag-upload kami ng video. So, paano ba may iwasan ang pagkakamaling yan? You need to master the art of product positioning. Here are 3 types of product positioning. Una, Me Too product. Ito yung mga produkto na marami na sa market. Familiar na, mabenta nga, pero sobrang dami ng kompetisyon. Like coffee, sleeping capsules, mga produkto na malaki ang market, pero saturated. Ang problema sa Me Too product, laging tatanungin ng customer, ano bang pagkakaiba mo sa existing products? If you cannot prove your unique value, wala kang laban. At ano ang ginagawa ng mga entrepreneurs na may Me Too product para makabenta? Promo, discounts, freebies, bagsak presyo. Bakit? Dahil mababa ang perceived value ng produkto mo. Hindi yan bibili ng customer sa presyong gusto mo. And we all know that this is not sustainable because business is a game of profit, not volume. Another problem is that you are actually marketing for your top competitor. Parang si Pepsi at Coca-Cola. Tuwing may ads si Pepsi, anong naiisip ng tao? Si Coca-Cola pa rin. Kaya sa huli, natutulungan mo lang i-remind ang mga customers sa competitor mo. Imbis na ikaw ang naalala nila, competitor mo ang lalong tumatatak sa isip nila. Pero tignan mo yung ginawa ni Red Bull. Instead of trying to compete head-on sa Coke, they went niche. They focused on extreme sports fans. Kaya naging distinct siya sa market. Hindi bago yung produkto, but it's all about positioning. Next, Me Better product. Ito yung mga produkto na sinasabi mong mas maganda ka kaysa sa iba. The problem with better is that the customers need to try it first before they know that you are really better. So the risk is on the customer side. And for you to compensate for the risk, ano ang gagawin mo? Promo, discount, freebies, bagsak presyo na naman. So you end up spending more on resources just to make them try your better product. Finally, the me-only product. Ito yung product na unique. And I know na mahirap na makahanap or makagawa ng unique na product ngayon. Dahil it seems na lahat yata nailabas na. But you know what? Your product may be the same with others, but what's unique about is its positioning. Look at Apple. Wala naman silang ginawang bago. Matagal nang may computers, touchscreen phones, tablet, smartwatch. Hindi naman sila nauna sa mga bagay na to. Pero they position themselves in a way na sila ang naging standards. Bakit? Because they understood how to differentiate. Tesla, dati pa may electronic vehicle, pero they positioned themselves as the only one who made it globally successful. So, paano ba mapoposition ng product mo bilang unique? Look for an underserved market and position your product as the only solution for them. Kaya nang ginawa ko with my friend Magnesium. Dami na magnesium oil sa market, pero when we enter the market, we position it in a way na bago sa pandinig. We use words like lunas na hindi iniinom because supplying magnesium with your body reverses some diseases. We didn't position it as a Me Too magnesium oil. We position it against supplements na iniinom. And you know what? It works. Bumuhos ang orders namin nung pandemic. Isa sa madalas na problem ng business owners is they try to capture all the market at once. They want to be all in one. Mali yan. Because your message will be diluted. Remember this, if you talk to everyone, you talk to no one. We are living in a noisy marketplace. And the only way to stand out is not to be the same, not to be better, but to be different. It's not always the product, but how you position the product. As my mentor Dan Lok taught me, it's not the thing, it's the thing that sells the thing. Ano sa video na to ang pinakatumatak sa'yo? Type it in the comment section at doon, mag-usap tayo. If this video helped you see the value of product positioning, don't miss our next video, Automate Your Business. Discover how automation can help you focus on what matters most. Remember, mastering product positioning is just a start. Now, let's make your processes work for you.